true. I'm not even exaggerating. Literally, when I say this, it's been 4 hours on the phone. What you talking about? Randy's been talking the whole time. I've been like, you should yell at him on the phone, and she's trying to. 4 hours. This was supposed to be done last week.
Just to get the medication.
Just to get medication that I don't even want to take. I haven't really given a little pool update in the last few days. Right now, we have the plumbing done. We're still waiting for an inspection. I guess, I don't know, they just take forever. The pump right here, we moved it over from here, over just a little bit. That way it gives us some more room. And we're gonna make like a little fence and make it a little nice so it kind of hides it a little bit. But so we got the plumbing done. Well, hold on, we just wait for an inspection. And then we got the pavers selected. And I guess the pavers will go next. No, electrical will probably be next. I actually have no idea what goes next. Something goes next, but we have the pavers selected. We have the inside selected. We have the interior selected. I guess it'd be the same thing. So now it's just a matter of putting it all together. I was hoping that this would be completed before we leave for tour next week. I know it'll be done by the time I get home, which is exciting. By the way, all those little clips were 100% me about the freak out. I have to get that medication. I was supposed to have it last week, but I don't know what happened. It's now Monday, a week later. It's still not here. So I spent, I'm not even kidding when I say this. I know sometimes I'll exaggerate it, somebody else will exaggerate it. 4 freaking hours on the phone, and everyone was just pointing fingers, so no one had an answer. So that has been my morning. It is, I don't even know how late it is now at this point. I've already stressed myself and lost my mind. But we should decorate it just like a little bit, you know, carve the pumpkin, just something to take my mind off of things and have fun with Remy and Allie and the pups and stuff like that, since I am leaving.
I know I mentioned this to you guys, I don't know, like what, was it a month ago, Char?
I think
something
so.
like that.
Yeah.
But we have got another one of our Panda Crates in the mail by Kiwi Co. And what comes in these Panda Crates, I feel like I have to like refresh your memory. With these Panda Crates, these are little boxes that are designed specifically to help parents like Charles and myself promote learning and development in Remy's life. And I love these boxes. They come every other month, so like every 2 months you're gonna get a new box, and each of those boxes are gonna be designed specifically for that developmental stage in your baby's life. Let me kind of show you again what's in these boxes. Cool thing about these toys, I kind of already opened it, I'm really sorry. But in each of these boxes, you're gonna get pamphlets that give you all this different information to help new parents, you know, teach their kids the information that you may not know. There's also going to be all these really cool activity cards that come with all of the products within the box, and each of the activity cards are also going to provide information on the front about what the products are made of, and then on the back they're going to actually have that specific activity in detail on how to use it and how to use the products and create that activity with your baby. I actually got a Panda Crate for my sister, who, if you guys don't know this, she has a daughter that's 7 days older than Remy, and she's seeing the benefits Remy is getting from these boxes, these Panda Crate boxes. And I don't know, I really loved it, and I think it really helps her out. I really want you guys to check it out and see if it works well for you. So if you guys go to the link in the description, you'll get 20% off. It's an amazing product. I swear by it, it's an amazing product. This is right now her favorite toy, but also this crinkle guy. Such a cool little sensory item, and she loves this as well. Now, if you guys don't have kids, I think it would be a really cool gift for a friend or a family member. With Christmas right around the corner, it's actually kind of a cool and unique Christmas gift. Check it out. Hit that link in the description. You'll get 20% off. You like it? Yeah? Ooh, get it. Good girl.
If this is a medical emergency, please hang up and call 911. This call may be recorded.
Is there an option to like smash a phone? Okay, just as I thought, I was all taken care of. And like literally, I just got another phone call. I just made another phone call for another 3 hours. Still not working. Ma'am, you're not teething yet. Whoa. Are you teething? Oh, is that an elevator?
It's an elevator.
It's been another 2 hours. Still nothing.
Really disheartening and devastating the fact that no one's kind of like on the same page. And I
it's
know
like
that
everyone's got.
happen,
yeah, it's like
but
well, it's like 3 people are in like with like a shootout,
yeah.
and then everyone's like You put your gun down.
Yeah.
Nobody knows what's going
I
on.
think the crappy part is it's not like this is something that you want to take. It's something that you have to take. You have to take it.
Yeah.
And it's necessary. And
I even
it's
told
like,
the lady, I was like, it's not like I want an Advil from you guys.
put it in your pocket. All right.
it's right there.
All right. I know,
Easy.
but
Halloween.
listen, there's many Halloween items.
Halloween.
I know, but I don't think I'm going to bring everything. I think I'm going to keep it chill this year. I really am.
Well, so there's Halloween there. There's Halloween there. And I think there's probably Halloween down there. No, it's Christmas. My guess is Christmas. That's Halloween. I think that's where all your bats are and stuff.
I just wish I knew where everything was.
Hey, Rem, do you want a little Bart Simpson?
Pumpkin carving kit.
There we go. Actually, could bring that. Remy's got Bart. Yellow Bart Simpson.
So I've come up with a different concept this year. Originally what I was going to do is I was going to go really old school. And I was going to do something. We'll bring that too. We need that for sure. I was going to do like traditional Halloween. So like ghouls and goblins and witches. I really wanted to do the whole witches thing. What I think I'm going to do is, yes, bring that one too. Put that in the cauldron. Let me see. Hold that up. Ooh, spooky. But I think I'm going to do kind of like a zombie beach party.
Zombie beach party.
Yeah, I think. You're the best husband ever. Just saying.
Things keep breaking. And I don't
Probably because you're standing on the wrong thing. Hey, Daddy, be careful.
Unfortunately, could not find the fogger, which is the only thing Allie wanted. But we got our zombie flamingos. Just having a botched day today, jeez. Apparently now, the prescription is not approved until I think after I leave for tour, which is great because I'm not even gonna be home. And shipping this stuff to places that I'm not at, it's okay. Yeah, you gotta shake it off, guys, shake it off.
There's Lynn's cat. Whoa. So I need you to grab a pair of board shorts. We gotta make a zombie beach party. Gosh, it's filthy in there. This doesn't work. No, those don't work. Those are basketball shorts, dude. We're not out here to play basketball. We're out here to have a beach zombie party.
I guarantee not one person is gonna be like, oh, those are board shorts. Oh, no, those are basketball shorts.
Yes, they will.
Sir, out of here.
Diesel already did, he says no. Yep, those aren't them. What about these ones? You don't wear these.
I hate bringing this up over and over and over again with tour coming up. Kate and Tom are currently on vacation with Delaney. This was her first time flying. Apparently she crushed it. She did really good. But they're going to be doing some like traveling, like hiking. Did you get your thing all situated?
So for my zombie beach party, we're gonna use our pool. It's a zombie beach party. They don't care what it looks like.
Allie was talking to Kate and Tom. They were like saying that they want to FaceTime us like every day or pretty much every other day because so much is going to change with Delaney. Same thing that's going to happen with me and Remy. And it got me thinking more about how much I'm genuinely going to miss. So far, I've been seeing, well, we had her giggling. Yeah, she's talking like crazy, but we had the giggles. She started to recognize herself in the mirror, which is another huge thing. Now she's grabbing things, holding her bottle, and it really hit when we were talking to Kate and Tom. I was like, oh crap, that's gonna be the exact same situation that I'm gonna be in for, what is it, a month and a half, 2 months there, Rem? So you're not gonna have to hit the pause button. Is that a good knuckle sandwich? She's also had a pretty rough day. I think she's in a growing spurt right now. Despite having probably the most stressful, frustrating days, I'm not even kidding when I said this. I was on the phone for 4 hours and then I got on. No, then I was on the phone for an additional 2. So I'm going, yeah, it was 6. Wasn't it crazy? Nothing got taken care of. Not one thing got taken care of. I have to wait again until tomorrow because everyone out. Ready? Mwah. Anytime you get upset, that's what I do. Just mwah. Kiss your nose. Kiss your little nose. Oh, is that better? Is that so much better? Makes you feel better. Okay, kiss again. You just wanted that toy. I know, I'm not as nearly as cool, am I? Toss it. Throw it. Oh, he kind of rolled it. That's okay. What is that noise? So we were going to bring her out with everybody. So we were going to bring you out. I know. She's definitely going through growing pains. We were going to go out and help Allie with the decorations. However, guess what's happening right now, guys? I'll give you 3 guesses. Pause this video, make your guesses. I guarantee you won't figure it out. They won't figure it out. Better? You ready for this? Hopefully you guys guessed right. There's an outbreak, I'm not even kidding, of dengue fever going on in Hillsborough County. I think that's like Tampa, St. Pete. I'm still kind of new. I know we're Pinellas. However, it's in the same vicinity, like Hillsborough, Pinellas, that's not too. So there's an outbreak right now of dengue. So Allie's out there all sprayed up. I know, you're not going out there.
Russ.
All right. Simmer
I don't know
down.
where I put my. There they are. Oh my gosh. This is great.
What are you gonna do?
I'm making my zombie beach party. It's super cool. It's really cool.
I figured today would be the best day to kind of, yeah, you think it's so funny when I do this, don't you? You think it's so funny. You think you're so funny. That it would be a perfect time to, see, I was having a crappy day, but then I started playing with her. Yeah, I started playing with you and you're so funny. You're so funny. You're a funny girl. Actually makes me feel better. It also does kind of bring me back to the whole tour situation. I know I probably sound like a broken record, or like, what is it, Futurama? A broken MP3. Yeah, I know. What are you gonna do when I'm gone? You gonna be good for your mom? No? You gonna FaceTime Daddy all the time? You gonna FaceTime Daddy? When my dad went on tour, he'd come back and give Melissa and I treats. And yeah, we get presents and we get treats all the time. So I gotta pass that down on to you. Dad. That's so cute. Yeah, you think it's so cute too? Hey, do you mind if I have my hat back, please? I literally can just spend all day just talking to her. Yes. I was gonna suck so bad leaving. I know, I've said it a million times, and I'm gonna keep saying it. Bless you. And I got some more of the tour dates from our manager. Oh yeah, well, I'm not gonna be home for that. I'm not gonna be home for this. You're looking at? Yeah, Allie basically said I should take this time while she's doing that to just kind of talk to you guys, because I wasn't complaining. I was complaining. I was complaining a lot today. She said, why don't you just like kind of talk to the camera? That's always helped you throughout the 10 years of doing this. Even though I do talk in circles, eventually I feel like I come to a point, at least with my head. Or in my head, I should say. I'm sure I make no sense for everybody else. But it does make me feel better. Long story short, it's gonna suck so bad. You're gonna miss your dad, aren't you?
It's not done at all, but do you want to at least see a beach zombie guy?
Yep.
There's no lights yet around the corner.
That's actually, is that my Hawaiian shirt?
Yeah. I'm still working on it.
That's really funny. The dogs are gonna freak out. I think that's really funny.
I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put in there. I thought it was super cool.
I thought this is really good. I like
it.
Yeah, I think that's really good. Our
You
neighbor
look
would
cool.
be really proud of you right now.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that actually looks really cool. And who remembers us saying that Allie was not going to be decorating anything this year? That wasn't happening. That's actually really funny.
Is that your daddy? You special? Yes, you did. What are you doing? Oh, oh my nose. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. I love you. I love you. Hey, peekaboo. This is your dada. Oh, watch the nose ring. We're gonna rip that out.
Thank you so much for watching today's video, even though it was kind of a very annoying, stressful day and it was me venting. I do appreciate that. It was all the time because it does allow me to express myself without ramming my head against a wall. So I'm hoping tomorrow everything's gonna be taken care of and I'll be able to do all this so that way I can just get it over with before tour.